Arrow functions are a concise way to express small, single-line functions. They are often used as event handlers or when you need a quick function that takes some arguments and returns something. Arrow functions have several benefits. They are more concise than traditional function syntax, which makes your code easier to read and maintain. The basic syntax of an arrow function is arguments equals expression. Let's take a look at an example of a simple arrow function. This function takes two arguments and returns their sum. Here's an example of an arrow function using object shorthand syntax. When using arrow functions, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a few things to watch out for. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind when using arrow functions. Arrow functions are a powerful tool in your JavaScript toolbox. Here are some scenarios where you might want to use them. That's it for this video on arrow functions in JavaScript. We've covered the basics, benefits, and best practices. If you want to learn more about arrow functions, check out the resources below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the section below.